Hi, my name is Ronnie Phillips, and today we're going to start talking about ArcGIS Pro. Specifically, we're going to make sure our data on our computer will work with ArcGIS Pro. And so first, we're going to go ahead and make sure that we're signed in. I'll go ahead and sign in here. There we go. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to start a new blank map. We do that just by clicking this button here. Asks us to create a new project. It's generally best to create a new project, in with a name in regard to the project, that you're working on. This is Lab Zero, so I called it that. I'm going to browse for a specific location in which I want to store this. And this is our Pro work, so I want to store it in labs. And I've already got these folders created. You'll probably want to create a folder on your computer specifically for all the projects that you're going to be working on here. And it'll save you some time down the road. So we'll go ahead and double click labs here and we'll hit OK. What that does, it shows where it's going to store this new project. It's going to create a folder called Lab Zero for this project when I click OK. So we'll hit OK there. And we'll wait for the new map to pull up. And this pulls up a nice topographic map. Generally, I'll always turn this off for the work that we do in this course here. So we're just going to turn this off. And so we'll move to the next bit here. We need to import work that's already been done prior to this lab. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit insert. And it usually defaults to insert, but we'll hit insert and import map. We're going to locate the data that we downloaded for this project. I've already got all this data downloaded. I just need to find it. Here it is, Lab Zero. Lab Zero. Okay, so I have this stored in a folder called Week Zero here, and I believe that's the same for you guys. So we'll double click on Week Zero. We'll just click down through it, and you're going to come up against this reconnect.mxd right here, right? Let's see what's in here real quick. Yeah, don't worry about that. We'll double click on reconnect.mxd and we'll hit OK. And this is going to import this map into your map window here. Wait for that to pull up. And we see that in the table of contents over here, we see that we have states, provinces here with the red exclamation mark next to it. And that's because ArcGIS Pro is looking for shape files for the previous lab. And it can't find those files. So it's looking for those data and that red exclamation saying, hey, we can't find this. Where is it? So here's how we reconnect to that. We're going to go ahead and hit the red exclamation mark. Excuse me. And then we're going to navigate to the data that we extracted for this lab, right? So this is already up on my end, but we'll just go back in and this is the data that we downloaded here for week zero. So double click that, double click this, double click inside week 00 data, and we'll see the states and provinces.gdb. This is where your feature classes are going to be stored. So we'll double click that and we only see one feature class in here called states underscore provinces. So we'll hit that, we'll click OK. And in a second, it will pull up to make sure to see. There we go. Okay, so we have states and provinces right here. And like your instruction says, this will be a world map which shows states and provinces. This means ArcGIS Pro can make connections to the data stored on your computer. Pretty easy stuff, right? All you really need to remember about this is that it's when you open that file, you get that red exclamation mark. It's saying, hey, we're looking for this data and we can't find it anywhere. Where is it? So you're telling ArcGIS Pro where that data is stored on your computer. And so all you need to do from here for the submission is capture a screenshot. If you're using a Windows machine, you can search for snipping tool. That's generally what I use for this stuff. I'm waiting for my snipping tool to. There it is. Yeah, just hit new. Make a screenshot of it. There you go. It's that easy. Close that. But yeah, just make a screenshot of this and submit it for the tester software installation part of the introduction module. And that's really it. If you have any questions, get a hold of one of the TAs and we'll be happy to help you out on that.